learn exactly how physics affects the game of basketball. Let's look at a highlight to see what aspects of physics we can find.
Artest looking, gives it to Bryant. Bryant dribbling, has to put it up with the buzzer. Banks it in! He banks in the three! And he clearly got it off in time.
Watch me as I dance under the spotlight. Listen to the people screaming the more. Cause I create the feeling that keep them coming back. Yeah, I create the feeling that keep them coming back.
With 17-4.
Physics includes time. In this highlight, you can see that Kobe only has 3.2 seconds to shoot the ball. Distance is important in physics. In basketball, the ball needs to travel a certain distance in order to go through the hoop. Even a slight increase or decrease in power can send the ball over the backboard or off the net.
Loss for the Miami Heat, who so well here in the fourth quarter. With Kobe Bryant with 17 fourth quarter
In this case, the ball travels just a distance that's not too far and not too fast. Speed is an important aspect of physics. Speed combines distance and time to find the rate at which an object travels. Kobe shot the ball about 24 feet in 1.6 seconds. This has a speed of around 15 feet per second. Velocity is just speed in a given direction, so velocity of the ball would be about 15 feet per second towards the hoop.
To put it up with the buzzer!
In physics, an applied force is when one object exerts a force upon another. By shooting the ball, Kobe is applying a force on it by pushing it towards the hoop.
Miami Heat, so well,
is a physics term for a thrown object. In this case, the ball would be a projectile.
to put it up with the buzzer!
As the ball reaches its highest point, it's pulled down by gravity. Even after stopping the shoot, Kobe's body continues moving due to his momentum. As the ball soars towards the hoop, it experiences fluid friction in the form of air resistance. This slows down the ball.
So well here in the fourth quarter, with Kobe Bryant with 17 fourth quarter points.
Mass is very important in physics. An official NBA ball mass is 624 grams. A basketball player has to alter a shot to incorporate the mass of the ball. You know that mass is important when you consider how different shooting a basketball is than, for example, shooting a tennis ball. Weight is a measure of the force of gravity needed to pull something down. It can be found by multiplying the mass times acceleration due to gravity. In this case, 6.12 newtons are needed to bring the ball down to the ground. Any object in motion has kinetic energy. Kinetic energy equals half times mass times velocity squared. The ball has 70,000 joules. Lastly, Newton's third law of motion states that for every action, there's an opposite but equal reaction. As Kobe's hand acts on the ball reacts on his hand with equal strength, even though it cannot be seen. Thank you all for watching. I hope you learned a lot and understand how big a role physics plays in the game of basketball.
Oh. Okay.